Hey you guys, welcome back to Lisa and Company, and probably one of the shortest videos we're ever gonna put out there for you because this was a totally unplanned video. But hi, my name is Lisa and I am the best procrastinator in the entire world. So I had a whole bunch of stuff I had to get done today for a whole bunch of things that I wanted to send out to you this week. So of course I did something else. So let me show you how this day started and let me show you what we did, and then we'll come back and talk at the end. Thanks for stopping by Lisa and Company, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our planned videos or these procrastinator videos. So I have this cute little area. It's just by our patio door here, and as you can probably tell, I use it for garden stuff in the summer. It's a really handy spot since I don't have a shed in the backyard. However, this piece that I picked up on the side of the road, I'm embarrassed to say almost 2 years ago, needs to move because that's where my Christmas tree is going. So I have an idea. Ready? Here we go. Over here, I hate the mess of wires and components that just naturally happens over here. So I'm thinking we take this piece out for now because it can always come back over here. And I'm gonna take this and do a quick dry brush over it and put it over there. It'll do a couple of things. I'm not gonna have to look at those cords and wires anymore. And when I'm all decorated up, it's gonna look so pretty for Christmas. That's a bunch of components we already packed up, so it's out of here. And in case you were wondering, those are all Charlie's toys. And just like that, we're done, because that's how we roll at Lisa and Company. I'm actually, although I had some weird pitfalls while I was working on this today, for example, there are 2 doors for this, and I knew exactly where they were. That is until I went out to the garage to find them, and nothing. And then even better, I couldn't find my screwdriver to take off those hinges. So you will notice that I actually painted around them. I'm hoping that's a sign that I will find the doors and I can paint those up. So in the meantime, I just found a couple of matching baskets and popped them in there. One of them is full of some of Izzy's game console components. The other one has very important stuff, Christmas movies. Friends, is how you spend a cold, snowy, windy afternoon when you have 6 million other things to do. You do something you totally didn't need to do. I am, however, very happy that it's not an eyesore in my family room anymore, and I am very happy that I got to put my lanterns up there. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up above and down in the description box for you. Thank you, as always, for stopping by Lisa and Company. We are always so glad you're here. You guys, we are growing by leaps and bounds, and Izzy and I could not be more grateful for you. As we approach our very first 1,000 subscribers, we're hoping it happens in the next couple of weeks. Please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and help us get there. Thanks again. We'll see you next time for one of those planned videos, and have a great night. Bye.